Okay, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a really delicious traditional bread and butter pudding. Beautiful. I used to eat this all the time back in the day, and I'm going to start eating it again now. Dead easy to make, really cheap, and I'll show you how I do it. And here are the ingredients that we're going to need. We're going to need some bread. I've got about 4 slices there. Some butter, some sugar, about 50 grams, some raisins, some powdered cinnamon, a couple of eggs, and of course we're going to need some milk. We're going to use whole milk, and there it is. We're going to need about half this bottle, which is 500 millilitres. Butter your bread really nice and thickly, and then we're going to slice it. Do that with the rest of your bread and we're good to go to make a start. Now take your 500 grams of caster sugar, and in it we mix 1 teaspoon full of ground cinnamon. Give this a good mix together, and we're going to use this to put over our bread and butter that I put into this cooking dish. We sprinkle it over. Now I've alternated these layers with our caster sugar, our raisins or sultanas, whatever fruit you're going to be using, and we cover this all over really nicely, making sure that we don't miss any, and then we're going to finish this off with a lovely topping of the raisins. Sprinkle these all over the top, try and get them as evenly spread out as possible. Bit difficult, they start to roll about all over the place. In a bowl I'm going to crack 2 whole eggs. There's one. Put in the next one, and we're going to sort of make a custard really. Put in your 50 millilitres of whole milk, get out a stick blender or whichever sort of blender you want to use really. This is my all-time favourite, so in that goes, and we give this a good mix together. And we're going to pour this mixture all over our bread. This will probably come about half a way up the bowl, and then once you've done that you're going to put it to one side, leave it for 10 minutes or 20 minutes just to give it time to soak up into the bread. Then it's off to the oven for about 20 minutes, gas mark 5, until it's got a nice brown crunch on the top. And there you have it guys. Doesn't that look so delicious? I can't wait to tuck in. And tuck in I will. I'm going to add a little bit of custard over the top, and it will be wonderful. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've really enjoyed it. Please join me in the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Take care now, love you all, and see you next time. Bye.